Are you solo mining? Do you have a Canaan Avalon Nano 3 or Nano 3S? Do you have a BitX? Do you have a nerd miner? Do you have some other type of solo miner? Really, any type of miner. Do you keep regular tabs on it? I didn't, so I don't know how long my Canaan Avalon Nano 3S had quit mining. Okay, welcome back. Sorry if I sound a little hoarse today. I've been fine for months. Woke up today, hoarse, coughing. I got a little light, so maybe this is gonna work better. So this is an Avalon Nano 3S solo Bitcoin miner. It's been mining just fine, and then about a week ago, looked at the app, it was not mining. I went and restarted it. After a while, I checked back on it. It wasn't mining, so I went and brought it in the house, and this is all it does. If you can see, it just gets the logo on the screen. Won't do anything else. You hold down the power button. I think it eventually will like flash off and back on, but I don't think it actually does anything. There's a reset button inside that hole. I've used a little pin. So then from the Avalon app, I contacted support, which, you know, I get it. They're in China. It's a big time difference. I'm in Tennessee, but it was like, send us a video. So I sent them a video. They're like, well, do these steps, you know, configure it for Wi-Fi. I'm like, I can't configure it for Wi-Fi because it never starts. It doesn't show up. It's not booting. They wanted another video, so it took a couple of days. I made another video, basically said this is all it does. And they said, oh, okay, well, return it at your cost and we will fix it or replace it. So just thought before I sent it back, I would turn it on one more time, see what happens. Nothing happens. So we're gonna box it up and it's gonna go back. Okay, well, after unsuccessfully trying the Canaan Avalon tech support site, they emailed me back saying to send them a picture of the miner serial number and I believe the power adapter serial number. That'll just create the ticket for me. Let's take a picture of this. And I just say adapter. I don't know if they just meant the serial number. I mean the power adapter, or this doesn't have a serial number. I'm putting it back in because it doesn't stick out. It's not going to get damaged in shipping. The only other adapter I can think they're talking about is the AC adapter. There we go. Oh, maybe that's supposed to go over there. Okay, I thought I would add this here at the end. In all fairness to Avalon, they were quite responsive through email to recognize that the RMA ticket process is not working. They created a ticket manually for me and emailed it to me, so I have been busy all week. Unfortunately, just recently got divorced. I've been dealing with that, dealing with like moving things around in my house, trying to get my life back together. But today when the UPS store opens, I'm going to put the RMA in with the miner, send the miner back. Hopefully within a few weeks I'll have an update for you. I'll post a new video, let you know what the outcome of the repair or replacement process is. As always, thanks for your support. Drop a comment below. Are you solo mining with one of these Canaan maybe, or a BitX or a nerd miner? Leave comments below on what you're mining, how you're doing, what your thoughts are, mining in general. I know right now it's crappy. The world is taking a dump and it's killing crypto mining. Thank you. Stay tuned for more videos and stay cool this summer.